Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about 5 common investing choices that could be killing your returns. Paying excessive fees. Let's get into the video. Paying excessive fees, one of the most common ways investors reduce their returns is by paying high fees. Whether through management fees, trading fees, or expense ratios, these costs can add up over time and significantly erode your returns. Mutual funds and actively managed funds, for example, often come with higher expense ratio than index funds or ETF, which are typically passively managed. The solution to that is choose low-cost investments whenever possible, such as index funds or ETF, which often have lower expense ratios. When considering mutual funds, compare the fees and expense ratios with similar options. Look for no-load funds that do not charge extra fees, and keep an eye on how often you are trading. Transaction fees can add up quickly if you are buying and selling frequently. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.